Welcome all my dear student of TYBC physics class. Now we are in the last half of the chapter, that is field effect transistor. Here today we are going to study about MOSFETs, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. That is MOSFET, MOSFET. This is the abbreviation of metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. It is also three-terminal device. That means this device MOSFET is also in three terminals: source, gate and drain. It is just look like JFET. Okay, why? Because JFET is also having source, gate and drain. Unlike JFET, unlike JFET, the gate in MOSFET is insulated from the channel, and therefore sometime it is also known as insulated gate insulated gate FET. What I say? IG FET. Okay, what I say? Unlike JFET, the gate in MOSFET is insulated from the channel, and therefore sometimes it is also known as insulated gate field effect transistor, that is IGFET. IGFET is the abbreviation of insulated gate field effect transistor. Okay. Now we are going to see types of MOSFET. Basically there are two types of MOSFET. One is depletion type MOSFET. Depletion type MOSFET. And another is enhancement type MOSFET. This is the second type. What I say? Basically there are two types of MOSFET. First is depletion type and second one is enhancement type MOSFET. Now we are going to see one by one. Now first of all we are going to see depletion type. This one, depletion type N channel MOSFET. Why N channel? Because in previous lecture we studied very well that N channel MOSFET is having wide range because it has many advantages over P type of JFET, and hence depletion type MOSFET. And in this depletion type MOSFET we are going to see first depletion type N channel MOSFET and then P channel MOSFET. Now see the construction, how depletion type N channel MOSFET is constructed. The construction of N channel depletion type MOSFET is shown by this figure. Okay, and basic structure is shown in this figure B. Okay. Now in this figure the MOSFET depletion type N channel MOSFET consists of a conducting what I say? This MOSFET consists of a conducting bar of N type silicon material with an insulated, this is the insulated insulated gate on the left and P region on the right. The free electron can flow from source to drain. Free electron can flow from source to drain through the N channel. This is the channel. There is only one P region, this one. There is only one P region, and this is called substrate. This is called substrate, which is shown here and which is shown here. This is called substrate or a body. This substrate physically reduces like this. Physically reduces the conducting path. This is the conducting path. The physically reduces the conducting path to a narrow channel. A thin layer of silicon dioxide, this in this structure, basic structure here, and in this construction here. The basic structure, a thin layer of silicon dioxide is deposited on the left side, this side, left side of the N channel, N type channel MOSFET. This layer insulates the gate from the channel. There is this SiO2 channel insulate the gate from the channel. Okay. Now we are going to see the working principle. There are two modes. Depletion mode. The depletion type, listen carefully. This is the depletion type MOSFET can be operated in two different modes. Depletion type MOSFET can be operated in two different types of mode. First one is depletion mode. Depletion means emptiness. In Marathi, riktata. Riktata, and in depletion means emptiness. And another one is enhancement mode. Enhancement mode. So this depletion type N channel MOSFET working in two different modes. One of them is depletion and another is okay. Now see here, with the help of this figure I am going to explain. See here how we can make the connection. Now see here what I say, the N type depletion type N channel MOSFET is working in two modes. One of them is depletion mode and another is enhancement mode. Depletion mode. What is depletion mode and what happens in depletion mode? In depletion mode, this gate is positive with respect to source, and the depletion type mode operates in depletion mode. Listen carefully. When the gate voltage is positive with respect to source, the depletion type MOSFET operates in depletion mode. And in enhancement mode, when gate is negative with respect to source, then depletion type MOSFET operates in or operates with an enhancement mode, and that's why there are two modes. Okay. Since depletion type MOSFET can operate in either depletion, what I say, listen carefully. The depletion type, since the depletion type MOSFET can be operated either in depletion or in enhancement mode, the MOSFET is commonly known as depletion enhancement, that is DE. Depletion, D for depletion, enhancement, depletion enhancement type. DE, depletion enhancement type MOSFET, because this MOSFET operate in both the mode, depletion mode and as well as enhancement mode. Okay. Now we are going to see how it works. See here in this figure, here firstly we connect the gate to negative polarity of the battery here, and one of the connection is made here, and there is another battery in between. This is VDD and this is connected like this. This is VDD, this is VGS, voltage between gate to source, voltage between drain. So this is the positive polarity, this is negative polarity. Here this is negative polarity and this is positive polarity. Okay. If we change the polarity, then this is depletion mode. And when we change the polarity of this battery, that is when positive terminal of the battery is connected to gate and negative terminal, only here, we are going to change. Same thing is happen, only what is the change, what is the difference in depletion mode and in enhanced mode? In depletion mode, negative terminal of the battery is connected to gate, and in enhancement mode, positive terminal of the battery is connected to the gate. Okay. First of all, we are going to see the enhancement mode. That is what we are going to do. Simply we connect the positive terminal of the battery to the gate. Positive terminal of the battery to the gate. This is high potential battery. See here. This is the enhancement type. In enhancement type, mode, enhancement, and in this enhancement mode, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the gate. Okay. See here how this depletion type MOSFET, n channel MOSFET, working in enhancement mode. The working principle, first of all, we have to understand the working principle. The working principle of this MOSFET can be explained easily. If we visualize this, only with this, when we visualize this figure, or when we visualize the entire structure of this MOSFET as a parallel plate capacitor. Okay. What happens in parallel plate capacitor? One plate of the capacitor is supplied by a positive charge, then on opposite plate there is a negative charge is induced. By similar fashion, here one of the plate, suppose this plate gate, one of the plate of the capacitor shown in this figure, suppose this is first plate and this is another plate. What happened? Here one plate of the MOSFET is formed by the gate and other plate formed and other by the semiconductor channel. This is the one plate and semiconductor channel is another plate. Okay. What I say, one plate of this MOSFET is formed by the gate and other is formed by the semiconductor channel. The plates are separated by the medium, that is dielectric material, and here we use the dielectric material, that is silicon dioxide, SiO2 layer. We know that if one plate of capacitor is made negative, one capacitor of the plate is made negative, then it induces positive charge on the other plate and vice versa. The working of depletion type of MOSFET on the depletion and enhancement mode are based on this working principle. And now we are going to see enhancement mode. See here, in enhancement mode, a depletion type, this is the depletion type N channel, this is the N channel, and depletion type N channel MOSFET with a positive gate to source voltage, that is VGS is positive, VGS is positive with respect to source. Okay. And the positive gate voltage induces the negative charge. Okay. Positive gate voltage, negative charge on the silicon plate or silicon layer of, or on the, what I say, the positive gate voltage induces negative charge in the N-type silicon through this insulating layer of SiO2. And since conduction of current through this N-type is electrons. Okay. Conduction of current through N-type of channel is by means of majority charge carriers as a electrons. The free electrons in the vicinity, that is here, number of free electrons, and when we provide positive supply to the gate, it also induces the negative charge, that is electron, inside this due to dielectric property and work according to working principle of capacitor. So what happen when, since conduction of the current, I am going to repeat once again, the positive gate voltage, this positive gate voltage induces the negative charges in the N-type channel through the insulating layer of SiO2. Since conduction path of current through N-type channel is by means of negative charge particle, that is electrons, majority charge particles are electrons. The free electrons in the vicinity of negative charges are added together in N channel, and thus positive voltage increases number of free electrons on this path. Then what happens when the number of electrons are getting increased? Obviously the current is increased. Thus positive voltage increases the number of free electrons passing through N channel, and this increases the drain current passing through this N channel. As a result, this enhances means to increase growth. As a result, this enhances the conductivity of N channel, and thus it increases the drain current flowing through the N-type channel as gate source voltage is made more positive, and because of this the positive gate operation is called an enhancement mode. Okay, you got it? It is very simple. Now in depletion mode we change the polarity of the battery. In depletion mode we change the polarity of the battery. See here, in depletion type mode, here we supply the negative charge to the gate. In this way, here positive and here negative charge. Here also same thing is happen. A depletion type, this is a depletion type N channel MOSFET with negative gate current. In enhancement mode there is positive gate current. Now here in depletion mode, depletion means to decrease, to deny. A depletion type n channel MOSFET with negative gate to source voltage is shown in this figure. The negative gate voltage increases the positive charge. The negative gate voltage induces the positive charge on the side of channel. What I say? The negative gate voltage induces the positive charge in the N type channel through the insulating silicon dioxide, SiO2. Since conduction of current through N channel is by means of majority carriers, that is electrons, the free path in the vicinity of positive charges are repelled away. There are much more electrons, and here these are the induced hole. So these holes, there is repulsion between holes and electron. In this way, the free electrons in the vicinity of positive charges are repelled away in the N channel, and this reduces the path. This repulsion reduces the path of the current. As a result of this, N type channel is depleted. As the path is reduced and becomes pinch up, becomes narrow. As a result of this, N channel type is depleted free electron. That means they are unable to provide free electrons along the path. Thus, it reduces the drain current flowing through the N type channel as the gate to source voltage is made more negative. At a sufficiently large negative voltage, the gate source voltage is more negative. At a sufficiently large negative gate to source voltage, the N type channel region near the drain is end. That means look like this, near the end, and the path is blocked. Okay, and depletion is occurs. At sufficiently large negative gate to source voltage, the N channel region near the drain end is totally depleted of free electrons, and hence channel width is almost zero, and therefore the drain current reduces to zero. This phenomenon is analogous to that of pinch off current in JFET, and thus working of MOSFET with the negative gate voltage is similar to that of JFET. The negative gate voltage depletes the N type channel of free electrons, and because of this fact, the negative operation is called depletion mode. It should be noted that the depletion type N channel MOSFET can conduct even if the voltage, gate to source voltage, that is VGS, is zero, and because of this it is commonly known as normally on MOSFET. Now we are going to see the characteristics of this MOSFET. There are two types of characteristics: drain characteristics and transfer characteristics. First of all, we are going to see drain characteristics. Here, drain characteristic. There are two types of characteristics. First one is drain characteristics. Drain characteristics. The drain characteristics for N source configuration is looking like this. See here. ID and VDS, drain current versus voltage between drain to source. Okay. See here, this is VGS is equal to 0, or here we can say that VGS is equal to 0. This curve is for VGS is equal to 0. Just I want to show properly. Okay, this curve shows VGS at 0 volt, and here there is a normal operation like JFET. And this curve, see here, these are the curve, these are the drain characteristics. See here, this is the normal mode. Now VGS, this is VGS equal to 0, this is VGS is equal to -1, this curve is VGS is equal to -2, VGS is equal to -3, and this is VGS plus 1, VGS is equal to +2, and VGS is equal to +3 volt. Okay, unit is volt. See here, when we are moving from VGS to positive value, this is the enhancement mode. And when we are moving below this, this is the depletion mode. Are you got it? Okay. So here we can say that the drain characteristics for N source, this is the drain characteristics for N source configuration, and the curves shows the relation, this curve shows the relation between drain current ID and drain to source voltage VGS, sorry VDS, for different VGS, for different constant VGS. Okay, this is the middle curve. This curve shows VGS is equal to 0, okay, and have a positive value, whereas those, what I say, positive, the curves plotted both negative and positive values of the gate to source VGS, that is VGS value. The curve above this VGS is equal to 0 have positive values, +1 volt, +2 volt, +3 volt, whereas below the curve below this VGS having negative value, that is -1 volt, -2 volt, -3 volt. When the voltage VGS is equal to 0 and negative, when the voltage is between 0 and negative, the MOSFET operates in depletion mode. And when the voltage is 0 and positive, then MOSFET operates in enhancement mode. It may be noted that the drain characteristics of depletion type MOSFET are similar to that of JFET. The only difference is that JFET does not operate for positive value. JFET does not operate for positive value. Only this portion is valid for JFET. Okay. Now transfer characteristics. Or we are going to see the transfer characteristics. Transfer characteristics gives, transfer characteristics of this for the same channel depletion type MOSFET is common source configuration, and this is look like this. This is VDS positive, that is here negative, and this is ID, sorry, VGS, positive VGS, and here VGS negative. Okay. Now transfer characteristics is the gives the relation between drain current and gate to source voltage at constant at constant VDS. Okay. So, see here the transfer characteristics for n channel depletion type MOSFET in common source configuration. This curve shows the relation between drain current, that is ID, to VGS for different constant values. Suppose this is the first curve. Suppose this is point A and this is point B and this is point C. See here, suppose this curve is for positive 1 volt. Now if we increase the VDS by 1, then we will get this curve, then this curve. In this way, we are having the relation between drain current with minus VGS, sorry, gate to source voltage at different constant. So that means this curve, though there is a change in VGS, sorry, there is change in ID with respect to VGS, but throughout the curve VDS remains constant. Similarly, though there is a change in ID with respect to VGS, but this curve remains constant for single VDS. And in this way, this curve shows the relation between drain current ID and gate to source voltage VGS for different constant values of VDS, that is voltage to drain source. And these curves are plotted for both, that is negative value and positive value. This is a positive value and this is a negative value. So these curves are called transconductance curve. These curves are called transconductance curve. It may be noted that the region AB is similar, this region AB is similar that of JFET. This curve extends for positive value, that is along DC. Also it may be noted that even though VGS is 0, the most MOSFET has a drain current N2 loss, and because of this it is called normally on MOSFET. In this way, we studied this MOSFET enhancement type, depletion type N channel MOSFET in details. Now in next lecture we will study the enhancement type MOSFET. Here we studied depletion type in detail. Now in next lecture we will study enhancement type N channel MOSFET in detail. Till then we shall stop here. Have a good day. Thank you.